Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you the steps of creating a Windows 10 bootable USB. This will take only few steps and we are going to use a tool called Rufus. So let's start. I am on my Windows 10 desktop. I am going to open my browser and the website that you want to go to is rufus.ie. The link is in the description below. What we are going to do is downloading the tool here, which is Rufus 4.4 is the latest one. I'm going to click on that and it's going to automatically download. It's not a very big file. We'll go ahead and click on that to open it. So you can see my USB drive is already in here. So we can go ahead select this option, Disco ISO image, and select our ISO image. In this case, I'm going to use Windows 10 ISO image. So the partition scheme will keep the GPT as it is, and we are not going to change anything in here in the advanced section. So you can change the volume label and you can type whatever you want in here, but I'm not going to do anything. So I'm going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to change this file system for NTFS. I'm going to use this quick format option. Otherwise it will take so long to format this pen drive or the USB drive. Okay, now everything is okay. So we can click on start. So in customers section, I'm going to use this name, default name. So in here, it gives me a warning message. The data on this USB drive will be destroyed. So I'm going to hit on OK. Our USB bootable drive is now ready. We can go ahead and click on close. And if we go over to our file explorer, we expand this a little bit. Here you can see that we have our drive listed as a Windows 10. That's the label that we gave it when we created the bootable disk, and you can see all the setup files that you need for Windows 10 boot up the USB drive. That's how you set up a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Hope this video is useful. If yes, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.